Welcome, here I've got XIAOMI Mi 11 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we have access to other modes of this camera, and one of this is the slow motion mode, so let's pick it. Here we are. Now we can start recording this kind of video by tapping on this big red button at the center. We can also go to the right corner to pick this one to get access to more options about the video we can manage. I want to show you these two settings bar. At the first one we can pick the quality of our video, and at the second we can manage the speed of our slow motion. So let me say for example on this settings, and let me start recording to show you how it works. And now let's stop by tapping again on this button. To see the video, let's move to the left one that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is our video. Let's play it by tapping on the center. We have to allow me video to access to our files, so allow. And now we can see it. So it's really slow. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.